Hello India, Namaste. A warm good morning to all the listeners over there. I am Smita Mishra, Principal, Karl School, Sector 62, Noida. And my heartiest congratulations and thanks to the Principal of Asia Pacific Convent School Pratapgarh, Miss Kavita Derek, who has given us this opportunity to be a part of this virtual learning platform. Being a part of this virtual learning platform, we will see amazing creations done by these countries, Turkey, India and Saudi Arabia. So now truly, because now the time says to be a part of a global atmosphere. So we are in a true sense now globalized citizen, where different countries, different schools of different countries are sharing a same platform. So what a learning atmosphere we are providing to our children. And as the new education policy says that the children must evolve themselves as a true 21st century skilled children, where not only they should learn their or enhance their literary skills, their scientific skills, but also their social skills, their interpersonal skills. And with this learning platform, with this virtual art festival, the children are going to learn a lot. So my heartfelt thanks, my gratitude and my congratulations to the principal staff of Asia Pacific Convent School. Thank you. Thank you so much, Kavita ma'am.